putting my glue on like Kylie Jenner cuts cucumbers. I started doing a little bit of sanding and I noticed that I had these gaps in here. So what I did was I took some scrap wood. I'm gonna fill these in right in the vein. I just splooged. This is a great opportunity to create a moment. I go in my little scrap pile